Alright, I wanted to show y'all how it sounded with my my truck is actually running. I wanted to show y'all how it sounded with my electric remote controlled cutout exhaust. So my truck is actually running. Let me get in there real quick. Why is my hood open? I don't get it. Pop it open.
You opened it because we were gonna do the wires.
Oh, okay. Well then, just shut it back down, please. All right. Well, it sounds like that. And let me mess around and open up this. It's a remote control. As you can see, I'm gonna open it up. I don't know if you can hear it.
Men and their machineries.
Alright, well that was my baby just messing around.
I don't even have a phone. What do you have?
2003 Chevy Silverado. Cut exhaust.